Does fast charging for electric cars destroy the battery? Myth or truth? This question worries many owners and potential buyers of electric cars. Fast charging is an attractive feature, offering the convenience of replenishing your car's energy in significantly less time and extending its mileage. But could this convenience come at a cost? Could this rapid energy transfer negatively impact the longevity and capacity of your vehicle's battery? Fast charging stations can charge a battery 80% in 20 to 40 minutes. However, studies show that frequent use of these stations can degrade the condition and capacity of the battery. Is this true or not? The answer to whether fast charging destroys your battery isn't straightforward. It depends on battery type, quality, and the conditions under which it operates. In this video, we will explain why this happens and how to charge an electric car correctly. To understand the impact of fast charging on batteries, we first need to understand what fast charging is. The term fast battery charging is often thrown around, but what does it really mean? Well, in the world of electric vehicles, it refers to charging stations with power outputs ranging from 50 kilowatts to 350 kilowatts. These stations are capable of charging a battery to 80% in as little as 20 to 40 minutes. Quite a leap from the hours it takes with a standard home charger. So, how does this magic happen? It's all about direct current. Unlike your home charger, which uses alternating current that needs to be converted inside your vehicle before it can charge the battery, these fast charging stations feed direct current straight into the battery. It bypasses the converter, thus speeding up the process significantly. But let's not get too carried away. While fast charging might seem like the dream solution for all those range anxieties, it's not that simple. You see, the speed at which a battery can safely be charged depends on several factors. These include the type and quality of the battery, as well as the conditions under which the charging takes place. Batteries are a bit like us. They don't like being stressed. And high charging power, like those from a fast charger, can cause significant stress. The higher the power, the greater the load on the battery, and the greater the wear and tear on its cells. This can increase the risk of overheating and degradation. But don't worry, modern batteries come equipped with protection and temperature control systems that adjust the charging power depending on the battery's condition and the environment. So, is fast charging a superhero or a villain? It's a bit of both. It's a superhero because it provides a quick and convenient way to charge your car. But it can be a villain if misused, as it can put a strain on your car's battery. Fast charging is a convenient and time-saving method, but what does it mean for the health of your electric car's battery? Let's dive into that in our next segment. How does fast charging affect the battery? The answer to this question depends on the type and quality of the battery, as well as the operating conditions. Let's delve into this topic. In general terms, the higher the charging power, the greater the load on the battery. This increased load can lead to more wear and tear on the battery's cells, increasing the risk of overheating and degradation. Imagine you are a runner. If you sprint all the time, you'll tire out quickly, and your body will feel the strain. But if you pace yourself, you can run longer distances without as much stress on your body. Similarly, when you fast charge a battery, you're essentially making it sprint. Now, this doesn't mean that fast charging is the battery's grim reaper. Modern batteries are like athletes with a good coach. They come equipped with protection and temperature control systems that adjust the charging power depending on the battery's condition and the environment. These systems are designed to protect the battery from damage and to extend its lifespan. Think of these systems as a battery's personal trainer, making sure it doesn't push itself too hard on hot days or when it's already tired. They monitor the battery's condition and tweak the charging process to prevent the battery from overheating or becoming overworked. So, what's the takeaway? Fast charging is a bit like a high-intensity workout for your battery. It can be beneficial when you're in a hurry and need to get back on the road quickly. But just like with any workout, it's important to use it wisely. If you're constantly pushing your battery to its limits with fast charging, it may start to show signs of wear and tear more quickly. But if you use fast charging sparingly and under the right conditions, not too hot, not too cold, and not too often, it can be a handy tool in your electric vehicle charging arsenal. So, fast charging does not destroy the battery if it is done under optimal conditions and not too often. It's all about finding the right balance and understanding how to use this tool effectively to keep your electric vehicle running smoothly and efficiently for as long as possible. Electric vehicles are usually equipped with lithium-ion batteries, which consist of an anode, a cathode, and an electrolyte. Picture a dance floor where lithium ions are the dancers, shuttling back and forth between the anode and cathode through the electrolyte. Every charge and discharge is like a dance routine, accompanied by chemical reactions that impact the structure and properties of the battery. Now, when we introduce fast charging into the mix, we're cranking up the music and asking the dancers to move faster. High voltage and current accelerate the movement of lithium ions, but it also causes some of them to transform into metallic lithium. This metallic lithium settles on the surface of the anode as crystals in a process known as lithium plating. This uninvited guest on our dance floor is not benign. It reduces the number of dancing partners, creating internal resistance in the battery. Lithium plating can lead to various negative effects on the battery. To avoid or minimize lithium cladding, certain electric vehicle charging rules must be followed. Now let's dive into the best practices for charging your electric car. Firstly, reserve fast charging for emergencies or necessity. Slow or normal charging should be your go-to, delivering a gentler stream of voltage and current to your battery. Secondly, strive to keep your batteries charged between 20 and 80%. Charging your battery to full or draining it completely can lead to undue stress on your battery's cells. Lastly, consider the temperature. Lithium-ion batteries prefer a Goldilocks scenario. Not too hot, not too cold. Aim to charge your battery in temperatures between 10 and 30 degrees Celsius. By following these rules, you're protecting your battery from unnecessary wear and tear and ensuring it lasts as long as possible. So, we can conclude that fast charging for electric vehicles does not destroy the battery if certain rules and conditions are followed. However, it can accelerate the wear and degradation of the battery if it is used incorrectly or too often.